What's up, guys? Evander here, back with another video. Today we are here with the Model Y Juniper, reviewing another one of these matte carbon fiber sporty, gosh, what's the name of this thing? Model Y Juniper front fog light cover trim ABS sporty style fog lamp eyebrow frame. Comes in 4 different styles: matte black, matte carbon fiber, which is this one, a glossy black, or a glossy carbon fiber. So you've got 4 different choices, whatever you'd prefer. These are very, very simple. ABS adhesive on the back. So just clean, peel, and stick, and you're done. So this should be a very quick video for you. Thank you, EVBASE, for sending these over. As always, link in the description below. RedKnave20 scores you guys at least 20% off this or anything else from EVBASE. So let's get right into it. First thing you're going to need is to clean the surface. I lightly went over this previously with 70% isopropyl alcohol. Always have that on hand. I'll just go over it again since I've been touching it. Get all the grease, all the grime, everything off that surface. If you have any wax or ceramic coatings, try not to spray that on right before you apply such accessories, because it's going to inhibit the adhesives. Oh, and if you happen to have adhesion promoters, I recommend you use that and wipe them on. You can get these on Amazon if they aren't included with the product. Sometimes they are, sometimes they aren't. Before you put the adhesion promoter on, I suggest you kind of hold it up just to get an idea. Look at the back and see, where is this going to land. It's mostly the edges here, obviously all around the perimeter. So yeah, I'm just gonna take some adhesion promoter. I do recommend wearing gloves. The one thing I forgot to bring, because this stuff can get stinky and is probably toxic. And I'll just use a few of these, go around, especially these pointy, thin, narrow edges. We want it to stick as best as possible. Again, kind of spot holding it up, go to about midway of that point. This also flashes off very quickly, so you've got like less than 15 seconds before this little towelette is completely dry. You gotta be quick. There should be enough adhesion promoter. Now my favorite part is peeling off all these little backings. All right, adhesive is ready to go. So I'm just going to use this sort of area as a reference part and push it up in there, and then lining up this corner over here. I don't want to go too far over because this does need to land on the surface of the vehicle. Just gonna shove it in to this corner. The rest of it seems to line up just fine from there. And then voila, I'm gonna just apply some even pressure for a few minutes, especially on these tips. Make sure that sticks down nice and good. And no instructions came with these, but typical best practices are, put this on, not in a very cold environment, so don't do this in the winter maybe. And typically you don't want to, power wash it or for 48 hours or so. Maybe don't drive it immediately after you stick these on. You want this to cure probably overnight would be nice. So that's why I'm doing it in the evening on a warm day. And there you have it, guys. Just not every video is going to be 20 minutes long on my channel. Some are very quick and easy. That's what they look like. I think this is starting to go very well with his other matte carbon fibers he has all over inside and out of the car. I think that's looking pretty cool. Alrighty, guys, this was a nice short and sweet video. If you're interested in these, again, link in the description below. RedNave20 to get you guys 20% off these or anything else from EVBASE. I think these add a very cool, as I say, sporty look to the Juniper. This thing just keeps on getting better and better the more aesthetic accessories we keep adding onto it. So I'll see you guys very, very soon in the next video. Take care.